Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can replace objects in your photos on CapCut PC. So it has to be a photo. For instance, I want her hair to be blonde or curly, so I'm just going to select AI replace, and I'm going to kind of outline her hair just roughly. I don't have all the time in the world to be super tedious right now. I actually don't know if I'm supposed to fill it in, but I think I'm going to after I outline this. And I'm just going to type in change hairstyle and hair color. Wait, change hairstyle. Change to curly hairstyle and blonde hair. Let's do that and let's generate. Just take a few seconds to generate, so I'm just going to wait. It does take a few seconds actually. It doesn't take super long, depending on what you want to change, but yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!